If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Chuck Tuck, and in this video we're going to take a look at how you're going to change the location of all of your images that you capture and all of your videos. Now that we have launched the AVerTouch software and we are now under the document camera, if I was to capture an image, I'm going to use this icon right down here and capture an image. So if I do that, it tells me where it's been captured to, folder test123. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we're going to change the location of the folder, or to change the location of the images that we're going to capture. This goes for videos as well. Let's come back out to the home screen, go to where it says library. You see in the left hand side it says My Drive and Google Drive. My Drive is where we're going to want to be. So My Drive is your local hard drive. So once you've done that, these are the folders that are located in My Drive. They are separated by image and video. Now the process is going to be the same for whether you change the folder location for the image or for the video. Let's go ahead and do this video. So I will double click. Currently, these are the videos that are saved into that folder. If I want to open the folder location, come up to the upper right hand corner. This is going to open the folder location. If I want to select a new location to save all of my videos to, or in the other case, images, click on this. It opens up this secondary window, and now I'm just going to go to videos. I'm going to click on new folder, and I'll put down test123 and select that folder. Now whenever I capture a video, it's going to be saved to that folder. Now you see that there are no videos here, so let's go back out to where it says cameras. Launch my M11-8M document camera, and let's go ahead and record a quick video. Upper right hand corner, you see that I have the option of recording in the entire screen or what's under my document camera. Let's go ahead and go into the document camera. So there we are, got my hand wiggling around, got 4 seconds, 5 seconds, stop, and recording finished. Now that has been saved to that particular folder. I can access that by right here, and you see that there's only one video in there. Let's go back out and take a look at the home screen. Okay, now that we're back out at the home screen, I'm going to go to library, the video folder, double click, and there it is, that one video that we just now recorded. I can either upload it or I can delete it. If I was to upload, it allows me to upload directly to YouTube or to my Google Drive. So if I want to go to YouTube, select the YouTube icon, and it's going to go through its process, but you actually have to make sure that you are logged into your YouTube folder or your YouTube channel if that's what you're going to do. So hopefully this has been helpful and easy enough to follow along. Like I said, this process is the exact same method if you're going to capture and save images to a different folder location other than the default location. Let's come back out here. There we go. Again, my name is Chuck Tuck. Thanks for watching, and please leave comments. If you have any questions, please put those in the comments as well. And please come back again for more videos.